Hello everyone, welcome back to my gardening channel. Today I'm going to tell you the top uses of eggshell in gardening. So let's start. So first one is eggshell can be used in potting mixture. It is best natural fertilizer for plant which is very easy to make. It is rich in calcium and it's biodegradable. So for this we need 5 to 6 eggshell. Grind it with mixture or even you can crush it with your hand and then mix it with your pot soil. For better result, mix eggshell with soil in spring. Tomato plant love this fertilizer. And secondly, you can even mix coffee grounds with eggshell. It is rich in nitrogen. And eggshell helps to reduce the acidity level of soil. So as you seen in the video, simply mix the eggshell with your pot soil and second one is eggshell can be used to grow seeds. Simply we need cracked eggshell and fill it with the soil or your potting mixture and then plant your seed in it and then cover your seed with soil, then add water in it and then wait for 1 week. Once your seed germinate, you can plant whole eggshell in your soil as it is biodegradable. And third one is eggshell can be used in mulching. Mulching reduces the weed growth, conservation of soil moisture and improve fertility of soil. So simply crush some eggshell and sprinkle directly around your plant or in your pot soil. So here your mulching is done. And fourth one is eggshell can be used to repel slugs and snail. Simply sprinkle crushed eggshell directly into your garden soil. Thanks for watching my video and please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel for the latest updates. Thanks.